Hey there, food lovers! Today, I'm diving into something truly special. Let's talk about how cooking can change lives. Yep, you heard that right. Not just your taste buds, but your whole life. First up, let me tell you about Sarah. Sarah was going through a tough time dealing with anxiety and feeling lost. One day, she stumbled upon a recipe for homemade bread. Simple, right? But for Sarah, kneading that dough was therapeutic. It became her daily ritual. The act of baking bread gave her a sense of control and accomplishment. Today, Sarah runs a small bakery, spreading joy with each loaf. Inspiring, isn't it? Next, meet Mark. Mark was struggling with his health, battling obesity and low self-esteem. He decided to take charge and started cooking healthy meals. He learned about nutrition, portion control, and most importantly, how to enjoy food without guilt. Cooking became his passion and his lifeline. He shed the weight and gained confidence. Now Mark is a fitness coach, helping others transform their lives through food. That's the power of a home-cooked meal. Now let's spice things up with Maria's story. Maria moved to a new country, feeling homesick and disconnected. She missed her family's traditional dishes. So she started cooking her favorite recipes from home. Each dish brought back memories and a sense of belonging. She began hosting dinner parties, sharing her culture with new friends. Cooking not only filled her kitchen with delicious aromas, but also her heart with warmth and connection. Food truly knows no borders. Lastly, I want to share Lisa's journey. Lisa was dealing with grief after losing a loved one. She found solace in her grandmother's recipes. Cooking these dishes was like having her grandmother beside her. Each recipe was a treasure trove of memories. Lisa started a blog, sharing these recipes and her stories with the world. Her readers found comfort and joy in their own kitchens. Through cooking, Lisa discovered a way to heal and honor her grandmother's legacy. A beautiful reminder that food is love. So next time you step into your kitchen, remember, you're not just cooking. You're creating, healing, and connecting. Whether it's a simple meal or an elaborate feast, every dish has the potential to change a life, your life or someone else's. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to share your own food stories in the comments below. Let's inspire each other, one recipe at a time. Bon appetit!